Good evening, friends. I'm Rahul Gupta. My channel is Rahul Words. We have started this channel 2 months back, and initially I did not get much response, but after 10 to 15 days I started getting response. So I decided to make a video again because what happening, I'm getting most of the person from English states like Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Mumbai, Karnataka. So it is convenient to them for speaking in English. That is why I'm making again this video, although I'm not very good at English, but still I'm trying to make. And I got a good response from people as well, because I've read almost 70 horoscopes in the last 1.5 months, and whatever I tried to give solution to clients, they are quite happy, and almost 99% person give quite good response that whatever you are telling is quite relate to our life, and we happy that it can be definitely it can be good for our future as well. They are getting positivity as well, and so on that basis I again today make a video to just talk to all subscriber and the new persons who are supposed to come on this channel. And people are mainly asking questions, like 2 or 3 questions are mainly like when they will be married, what about their career, and what about their love life if they are single. So what I'm telling you that regarding marriage life, it is not a very tough to tell, but sometimes the dasas are not in favor, so we have to just analyze. Sometimes we can give you 2 or 3 dasas out of which you can be married in one dasa. So giving accurate result in marriage kind is quite difficult, but still we can predict all around situation. And regarding love life, it is quite easy to tell because it is quite easily seen from charts. If 5th and 7th lord are in exchange, or are in related, or if Venus and Moon are conjunction or looking, so it is quite easy to tell that love will happen or not. And if the lord of love house is sitting in 6th and 10th house, so it can be predicted that love will be success or not. So these are very easy things to tell. And regarding career, since there are only 7 planets and a person can be doing profession in almost 50-100 kinds of, so it is tough to tell that what profession he can do, but still it can be told that in this dasa he can be doing very good. So whatever dasa is provided to you, you should try to do your business on that, so you can get maximum benefit of it. So whatever question you are asking, I am always try to give you solutions, and I believe that these events definitely will happen, because whatever I am telling, I am just looking 2 or 3 kind of astrology, verifying thereafter I am telling you. So it is it should be happening, I think. I can say chances are more. And next point, if we talk about that, people are generally asking, what people are doing, that they are asking thereafter they are giving for their family members, they give for their brothers, sisters, spouse and relatives. So I can provide them, but you try that they give from their mobile, or they can ask from their self. So it is better, because we cannot provide astrology prediction to other person. Sometimes it may be taken in negative sense. So you should try to ask for yourself only. You should try to ask only one time. If you have any major problem, you can ask again, definitely. But you should not be like you are messaging daily, and it is quite irritating, because I am looking for other person as well. So you should try to avoid it. And I look from 4 to 5 aspects, not from a Vedic aspect. I go with the Parasari system, I look from Gemini system, I look from palmistry, I look from Astak Varg. So if I look from 4 and 5 systems, it is quite easy for me to explaining in major event. Especially if I am telling you 2-3 major events, definitely it will happen. Okay, so all I can say that it is request to new people who are looking this video, you just try to send your birth details, your palm details. Whatever help we can provide, we will provide you help. All astrological help will be provided to you. So you all people should just ask. If I don't get time, I'll definitely provide you in 1 or 2 days. Although I'm try to provide on the same day, but sometimes I'm busy, so I provide on the next day. And also I'm doing jobs, so I'm busy from 10 to 5. So it is better to avoid 10 to 5. You try to send me either in the morning or in the evening. So after analyzing, I can tell you whatever I have, whatever questions I can answer. Okay. So this is what I have to tell you. And evening is getting dark, so I'm not making this video long. My WhatsApp number is 9587879977. So you can directly WhatsApp me, and I'll try to definitely whatever you ask, I'll try to find solution and try to tell you whatever, which 100% accurately. So you just ask it. Thank you very much. अब देख देंगे.